Alright. One down. Ready to go. I gotta get this back one out. Let's take this clip off and wiggle this one out. Alright, that clip is off. That clip is off. It should pop out now. Ah, there it go. Alright. Show y'all I'm taking it out. Ah, there it go. We got it. Alright. So we got that one out. Let's pop the next one in. Yeah. So we're gonna put this other sensor on now, y'all. Let me set the camera back up. Alright, so we're about to put the other sensor on. Like I said, I got these off of Amazon. They about $27 for two, which is really cheap, so hope they work. $27 for two is awfully cheap. But we're gonna see. So far Amazon hasn't let me down. It's been saving me a lot of money, and so far the parts been good. They lasted for as long as I put them on, which has only been a couple of weeks, but no complaints so far. So let's see. gotta make sure you put them in straight. You don't want to cross thread them. That'll be horrific. So make sure you put them in straight. The engine cooled off a little bit now, so I can use my bare hands. And yeah, it's going in. All right, well, that's in. We don't gotta put it in super tight, but nice and snug. So, all right, man. Take the connector and connect it. Let's see. Skinny side, go that way. Alright. Skinny side. That's the fat side, that's the skinny side. At the bottom, so switch that around like that. Then pop that in like that. Come on, baby, come on. Ah, there you go. It only could go in one way, so there's no putting it on wrong. I've said that a million times. Alright, so we're done with that. Now we gotta go underneath the car. Let's see how those is gonna act. Tuck your wires back where they go in the little slots. Tuck this back in this little rusty clip. Wires behind it. Boop. Boop. Like that. Bong, bong. Same with this one. Check the wires in the clips. Tuck this in the little rusty slots. Like that. And that's how you change the O2 sensors on the top of the engine, y'all. Put your covers back on. And you're done with the top half. Now you gotta go underneath and get dirty. Go underneath and get dirty. Which way was this? No. Was it like this? Yes or no, y'all? Y'all was watching. Y'all supposed to be watching. I think it was like this. Hold on. Move that out the way. Ah, there you go. There you go. How's this one going first? Alright, there you go. All right, y'all. And I pulled up on the side of the sidewalk. Now this is dangerous. So I'm gonna try this shit at home. But we going underneath here, y'all. Okay, it's right here. Here go one, and there go two. So they're right there. I'm gonna see if I can get them off. One and two, both of them right there. So I can't do this and hold the camera. So I'm gonna put the camera over here somewhere. Or at least I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna try to get these off real quick. Cause I don't like being under here. Cause this is scary. This is scary. This is scary. But hold on, y'all. Might be breaking up my camera. Alright, I can get this part on. Let's see if I can crack it loose, y'all. No, it ain't loose already, is it? It can't be that loose. Am I going crooked? It's already loose, y'all. What the hell? It's super loose. Hell, that might be why the damn light is on, because it's so loose. I might not even need a new one. That might be why the damn light is on, because it's so damn loose. That's crazy. But I'm down here, so. Oh, wait. Nah, I'm tripping. Wait, am I tripping? Let me see. Was it that loose? Nah, I'm tripping. It wasn't loose. Right. Let me double check. Cause I thought I had it on there. Nah, it ain't loose. It's about to be though. Come on, baby. There you go. Wait. I think I got it now. Let's see. Or is it the... Yeah, I got it, y'all. She ain't no match for that ratchet. Wait. Hold on, man. Tell me I'm bugging. I could have sworn I just loosened it up. Or is this thing slipping? Nah, I ain't get it, y'all. I think what's happening is this thing is slipping. Yeah, this one ain't gonna work. It's flexing and slipping, and that's why I thought it was loose. But it ain't. Now I gotta try this one, which is hard to get to.